All right. So who is going to be the next short seller to actually go down? Who's going to be the next one to say, hey, I can't do this anymore. I'm tapping out. All right. I'm signing out because this is too much. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you, some interesting news that are coming, that are already here, and definitely will put this on the position to actually squeeze them once and for all, okay? Coming from the company and also coming from what the next couple of weeks are going to be on the market. So first of all, Spider-Man No Way Home eyes $200 million bow after smashing pandemic preview record and the peak at 114 million in 2 days overseas. This is one of the most interesting box office record on track on the month of December. AMC beats box office records with Spider-Man No Way Home achieving highest December opening night ever, and second highest opening night of all time. We are not talking only about December here. We're not talking only about 2021. We're not talking about comparing to 2019 or 2020. No, ever, all time, ever. So for who ever thought that movie theaters were down, movie theaters were dead and were supposed to be bankrupt, then you need to either think again or you better choke on this. All right? And then we have Mr. Adam Aaron, of course. Rotten Tomatoes audience score of 99% for No Way Home. Meanwhile, mainstream media keeps writing that movie theaters are dead. What did I just say? Isn't it inconvenient for conventional wisdom when facts make mincemeat of the doomsday pessimism? You know what I say. Facts are facts. Choke on that. Yes, Mr. Aaron, I'm with you 100%. You know what is interesting, folks? When you enter a trade, all right, when you make a bet, you bet that a team will win. You bet, that the price of certain asset will go to a certain level, and it ends up not going there. So you can either continue to lie to you for so many days, for so many weeks, or for so many months until reality fades in, especially after it's happening with Evergrande and it's supposed to come in 2022. All right. So they bet that AMC was going to die and ends up that, hey, this Spider-Man No Way Home is actually breaking all-time highs records. So what does it say? It says that movie theaters are here to stay. All right. And with everything AMC is doing in increasing the number of income streams, revamping the entire business line, it makes things even better because at some point it would not make sense for anybody out there to short AMC. And when more people comes into the play because they know what is coming, they know what is at stake here, like sharks smelling blood in the water, they're gonna come into this, buy this thing, and that's how shorts will get squeezed. Especially when you look at this from CNBC. This is a screenshot of today. All right, this was on TV. Short squeeze rally into year-end looks likely. If you listen to some of the experts on the street, on market, and on stocks, it doesn't matter, CNBC, the street, the Jim Cramer, all of the other people, they're actually calling and expecting this to be the end of, the bottom of what was supposed to be a correction. All right. So the Santa Claus rally has not really started yet. So maybe as now there is no negative catalyst on the way, even if Omicron might somehow still spook some of the people. We have the Pfizer pill coming. We have some, good news coming on the way that, hey, this might be like just another variant signaling the end of the pandemic, all right? Because hospitalization rates are going down, even in South Africa, even here in the US. So I guess this is just a matter of time, folks. So just to say, for short selling campaigns to succeed, there have to be positioning, liquidity, and often systematic amplifiers of the sell-off. We believe these conditions are not met because liquidity, money is drying up, interest rates are increasing, and hence this market episode may end up in a short squeeze and cyclical rally into year end and January. So AMC is part of those cyclical kind of stock. So I would expect this to also be another catalyst adding to the list here for AMC to go back to what, maybe, I don't know, you name it, 50s, 60s, 70s, maybe 100. I don't know. But the thing is, it seems like shorts are going to be squeezed again. All right. So based on this, next week and the week after that looks pretty juicy. So can't wait to see that Spider-Man No Way Home movie. All right.